In this video, I will test out the Media Mod for GoPro 10. It's actually really good to get the Media Mod for a GoPro when you're out driving with your ATV or your motorcycle, so you can do some vlogging. And here in this first clip, I test out the back microphone on the Media Mod. And as you can hear, you can't actually hear me. So the back microphone on the Media Mod is not good for vlogging. At least not for me. I think it could be because my ATV is really loud. So it will be completely different when I switch to lav mic inside the helmet. And GoPro 9 and 10 use the same Media Mod, but it costs a little bit of money. I think like more than $100 US. But after I have been out testing it, I think it's totally worth it. And now I have switched to lav mic in the helmet. So how does this sound like? I think the sound should be so much better. It probably depends how loud I talk also. But we will see. When I come down here by the ocean, I will drive a little bit faster. But I think the sound will be so much better already. And I'll try to talk again. Today is 5 degrees outside, cold, a little bit windy. And how is the sound? Can you hear me talk now? I'm only driving in like 60 kilometers an hour. And this is a test with Media Mod for GoPro 10. I use a lav mic in the helmet with a dead cat on, so it should be good for aboard, for not making too much wind, because it's a little bit windy when I'm driving. But we will see. And I hope the sound is great.